Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you purchase latest iPhone 16 or 16 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. So this video is very important for you. In this video, we will see how to connect Rode Wireless Go mic in iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's very simple, and after connecting, which types of voice we are receiving, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start. So let's start demonstration. This is a Rode Wireless Me microphone, and I want connect this one GoPro Hero 13 Black. This is a GoPro. We can just simply turn it on this one, and as well as we need to turn it on both transformer and receiver. So look at this, both is connected, transformer and receiver. Here there's a C port. This one is connecting on the GoPro. Just simply open here, and here the C port is available. We have C types of connector. You just simply connect here, and after that if you start the recording here, so recording is a start, and I'm using this mic for the recording point of view near to my face, and you are receiving after connecting this one. It's very easy to connect. Now I stop and we can see. So recording is the start, and I'm using this mic for the recording point of view near to my face, and you are receiving after connecting this one. It's very easy to connect. So this is the beauty of Rode Wireless Me mic. You can very easily connect using C port, especially Hero GoPro 13. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.